Hostinger is a reliable web hosting service known for its low costs and speedy loading times. The company is newer when compared to other web hosting providers. Since they began, though, Hostinger has made a name for itself for its low-cost web hosting. But it does have some drawbacks worth considering. Let's talk about some pros and cons of Hostinger. Starting with pros. Very competitive prices for all hosting packages. From individuals and small businesses, shared hosting, to large companies, business hosting, and professional programmers, VPS hosting. 99.9% uptime guarantee. In essence, Hostinger promises that your website will be available online all the time. The figure translates into a maximum of 44 minutes of downtime per month, which in practice is close to 0 minutes of downtime according to our tests. You can get a free domain name with your hosting purchase if you choose at least a 12-month package. Easy to use, unique hosting admin panel developed by Hostinger team specifically for the company's clients. You can install WordPress in just several clicks using the auto-installer feature from the hosting admin panel. Hostinger's proprietary website builder called Zyro has been completely revamped in 2020 and is now a pleasure to use. Large library of educational resources about using Hostinger's products, available for free to all clients. Top-notch support from a friendly, fast, and helpful team that are always ready to solve your problems 24/7. Now let's talk about the cons. Decent but by any means not outstanding average uptime and server response speed readings. Relatively limited choice of templates in their Zyro website builder. No possibility to get support by phone, you will need to use either live chat, email, or contact form instead. Hostinger doesn't offer any dedicated hosting plans. Now let's talk about the pricing. Prices start at a very affordable 99 cents per month. Here's a quick look at Hostinger's cheapest starting prices, which usually reflect a 48-month subscription. Shared hosting, single plan, 99 cents per month. WordPress hosting, starter plan, $2.15 per month. Cloud hosting, startup plan, $7.45 per month. VPS hosting, 1 vCPU plan, $3.95 per month. That initial 99 cents per month only applies when you buy the single shared plan for 4 years in advance, which means you pay a total of 99 cents by 48 months equals $47.52 at checkout. Hostinger also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee that applies to all of its plans. This is pretty standard throughout the hosting industry, but still a major plus. They accept most credit cards, as well as PayPal, Bitcoin, and most other cryptocurrencies. There are so many great features at great prices regardless of which hosting plan you decide to purchase. The shared web hosting plan I recommend is their premium package, as this offers the most significant value. You're getting nearly all of the benefits of the cloud hosting package at a much lower cost. Do watch out for their sneaky pricing though. When you're looking to set up your web hosting account, determine if you need 5x the estimation on speed. If so, the cloud hosting plan is right for you. Great value for money and a strong selection of features make Hostinger a competitive choice on the market. Hostinger is a trusted name in the industry, offering cheap web hosting solutions for small websites. So if you're looking to cut costs on web hosting, then you can consider Hostinger. If you are ready to buy, then make sure to get it from the link in the description below this video to get a discount. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest review videos. Thanks for watching.